Hello students, welcome to Maths classes. Your question is, if pth, qth, rth and sth terms of an AP are in GP, then show that P minus Q, Q minus R minus S are in GP. Now you are given that these are the four terms of an AP. So let us consider, let A and D be the first term and common difference of given AP. तो आपको pth टर्म क्या गिवन है? pth टर्म will become a plus p minus 1d. qth term will become a plus q minus 1d. rth term will become a plus r minus 1d. And sth term will become a plus s minus 1d. क्योंकि आपको ये चार pth और qth rth and sth टर्म AP में है, AP की हैं. So they are in this form, but you are given that they are in GP. You are given that AP, AQ, AR and AS are in GP. तो सबसे पहले तो आप GP का let A and R be the first term and common ratio of given GP. तो आपका ये चार टर्म्स जो हैं वो GP में है. दैट मस्ट इम्प्लाइज कि AP that is a plus p minus 1d, that is your first term. AQ क्या हो जाएगा? a plus q minus 1d, that is AR second term, क्योंकि a is the first term and r is the common ratio. AR is your third term, तो AR स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं इसको. एंड AS इज योर फोर्थ टर्म, S minus 1d, so it can be written as ARQ. Okay, let us take this as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what you have to find the value of P minus Q, Q minus R. So by P minus Q की वैल्यू आपको 1 में से, if subtracting 1 from 2, 1 minus 2 implies A से A कैंसिल हो जाएगा, -1 से -1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, then P minus Q D is equals to A into 1 minus R. Similarly Q minus R के लिए you are going to subtract 3 from 2 and it will give you Q minus R times D is equals to AR will be common 1 minus R, and in the next you have to find R minus S, so you are going to subtract 4 from 3. You will get R minus S D is equals to AR square into 1 minus R. इसमें से AR square अब कॉमन आ जाएगा and this minus this will give you this. अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to prove that these three terms are in GP. तो आपको ये शो करना है कि इसका और इसका रेशो और इसका और इसका रेशो इक्वल है. So consider the ratio now. Now consider Q minus R upon P minus Q. And Q minus R upon P minus Q करोगे, this upon this करोगे, then A will cancel out, R1 minus R will cancel out and it will give you R only. Q minus R, AR 1 minus R upon A1 minus R, and that will give you R only. Similarly, the ratio of this term and this term, R minus S upon Q minus R. This upon this will give you AR square into 1 minus R upon AR into 1 minus R, and that will also give you R only. So that implies, this will implies that Q minus R upon P minus Q is equals to R minus S upon Q minus R, and this will implies that P minus Q, Q minus R and R minus S are in GP, and this is what you are supposed to prove.